Hello student, myself Anirudh Dobriyal, PGT Mathematics. Student, today till exercise 1.2 we completed it. Today we are doing exercise 1.3, and what is the question? This is a very important exercise because questions always come from this exercise. So you have to be very careful about the questions which we are doing. Question number 1, we have proved that root 5 is irrational. And in place of root 5 it may be root 3, root 7, root 11, whatever question is coming you can do like this. So it is proof that root 5 is irrational. So first of all we let root 5 as a rational number. So if it is a rational number, so you can write it in the form of a upon b, because every rational number is written in the form of a upon b. So where a and b are co-primes, where b is not equal to 0. Squaring both sides, root 5 square is equal to a upon b whole square, so it will be 5, because root 5 square is 5, so it will be 5 is equal to a square b square. After cross multiplying, 5b square is equal to a square. Showing that 5 divides a square, because 5 into 5 multiply something is equal to a square. So this side every element will divide a square. So if 5 is dividing a square, so it will also divide a. It means 5 is a factor of a. Now if 5 is a factor of a, so we can write a is equal to 5c. Now putting a is equal to 5c in equation number this, we can write this as a equation number 1. So 5b square is equal to a square is the equation. We are putting a is equal to 5c square. So after squaring, 5b square is equal to 25c square. So b square is equal to 5c square is equal to, it is cancelled out by 5 times. So b is equal to 5 square is coming. What we have, b square is equal to 5c square, implies that 5 divides b square, because this is the same case as we discussed. 5 divides b, it means 5 is a factor of b also. Implies that 5 is a common factor of a and b. And but this contradicts the fact that a and b does not have no common factor other than 1, because we assume it as a co-prime, so it should not have any common factor. But our assumption is wrong, that root 5 is a rational number, because a and b have one common factor. We just proved. It means our assumption is wrong. We assume that root 5 is rational, so it means root 5 is not a rational. So root 5 is irrational number, hence it is verified. And every question of the type you have to do same steps. Only in place of 5, if it is root 7 is a irrational number, so you have to write in place of 5 you have to write 7, and whatever number you were given in question, all the other steps will be same. Now we have question number 2. It is a very good question, and the type of the question always come in exams. So prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. So solution, let this is a rational number. You always have to let given number as rational. So if it is a rational number, so it can be written in the form of a upon b. So you have to always keep in your mind that root terms, you have to separate one side, and other term you have to separate other side. So 2 root 5 is equal to a minus 3b upon b will come. So root 5 is equal to a minus 3b upon 2b. Only root should be in left hand side, other all values will go to right hand side. So you clearly observe that this is a rational number, because a and b are integers, therefore this is a rational number. But we also know that root 5 is irrational number, showing that root 5 is rational number, but we knows root 5 is irrational. But this contradicts the fact that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational, and because this is a irrational number, so it cannot be a rational number. It means, so we can conclude after discussion, whatever we discuss yet, that 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. So it is a very good question. So all the type of the questions we discuss of this exercise. Thank you very much.